Simple present tense. We use simple present to talk about our routines and something we do over and over again. A positive sentence: I, you, we, they, plus verb. For example, I go. For a negative sentence, I, you, we, they, plus don't, plus verb. For example, I don't go. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't wake up at 11 a.m. You go to school by school bus. You don't go to school by car. We have dinner in the evening. We don't have dinner at noon. They study English every Monday, but they don't study history every Monday. You play volleyball in your free time. You don't play tennis in your free time. A positive sentence: he, she, it, plus verb plus s. For example, he comes. A negative sentence: he, she, it, plus doesn't, plus verb. For example, he doesn't come. He takes a shower every week. He doesn't take a shower every day. She works with her laptop in her office. She doesn't work with her phone in her office. It eats meat. It doesn't eat plants. A question for you. What is negative form of I do my homework every day and she does her homework every day? Comment the answer.